All right, guys, we got you a 2013 Dodge Challenger SXT V6. Why is it so zoomed in? All right, factory converters there and there. Then it's got a factory X pipe, 2 1/4. The whole system is 2 1/4 there and there. What we put on it is a vibrant system. So we put 2 vibrant stainless steel bottle mufflers, part number 1791. If you guys need the link, it'll be in the description. As you guys can see right there, a pair of those. And then we did a rear muffler delete or resonator delete. And we put some quad tips out the back, black, because, you know, why not? There and there. If you guys want those, there'll be a link in the description for them also. They're 2.5-inch inlet, 3.5-inch outlet, black ones. Rolled. There's the 2 resonators, and there's the 2 mufflers that we cut off right there and right there. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful, absolutely fantastic exhaust system noises. Ooh, vibrant never disappoints. I always like vibrant on V6s. They sound so good. Rev it. Listen to that. Listen to that thing purr. Man, it sounds so good. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 112. Perfect. Dodge Challenger V6 SXT. Yeah, let you guys hear on that side. Got the Tennessee flag, which we love. We love Tennessee.